This channel started with a big idea, an empty shell of a barge, and honestly no real clue what we were getting ourselves into. Looking back now, it feels like a lifetime ago, and we still don't even know what we were thinking, but here we are. Fast forward 12 months, and we're literally in a whole different boat. What was once a bare, cold shell has become a warm, livable home. The progress has been massive, and we're incredibly proud of how far we've come in just 1 year.
Right, everybody. So, it is our first night on the boat, having a little sleep. Don't even know what to say.
It was literally below freezing the last 2 nights.
Winter is here.
But we survived. It was, we thought we'd just make the room as insulated as possible. There was a little bit of shivering, but not too much. We managed to survive.
A lot of cuddling.
Yeah, we were like, is the heater on? And we kept checking, we were like, oh yeah, no, it's on. It's definitely on. But yeah, we live and learn. The more insulation we can put up, the more walls we can build, the warmer the boat's going to be. It hasn't been smooth sailing for sure. We've faced plenty of challenges, setbacks, moments we've had to stop, rethink and crack on. But every obstacle has taught us something new. We learned as we went, made memories along the way, some great, some stressful, but all part of the journey. These are the decisions we have to deal with.
I'm only little. You come and stand with me.
So, is this wall solid?
Yes.
So why didn't you put the bath on this wall?
Simply because of the plumbing ease.
Oh, don't worry about the plumbing ease.
Where are you going to put the plumbing in?
Under the floor. Okay, the way a boat works.
How? It floats.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Marvellous.
End of the story.
End of story. Fabulous.
No, let me explain this to you, okay?
Will we ever be done with installation? Making this place nice and warm. That's what we want. We want warm. At the moment it's cold.
Traditionally, people when they build a narrowboat, they literally ply line the whole thing with plywood. We're doing it a little bit unorthodox, but it's working for us. This is by far the biggest wall we built so far.
Yeah.
So, pretty excited to get this one up. Then we're going to have literally a lounge and the rest of the boat. Because you still need another piece up here.
Oh yeah.
Come on, babe. I'm smarter than that. You've literally got zero faith in me. Zero faith.
I do have like a little bit, just a little bit.
It's because I was unsupervised today, working unsupervised. What can you say?
This is what happens when you're working unsupervised.
Sorry about that.
We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down.
I'm just trying to figure out how we're going to cut the meat because we don't have a knife that's that big. And when we were at the shop, we didn't even think about this.
No, we didn't.
We definitely need to bring our utensils from the container.
For sure. But we do have an improvement from last time.
Yeah, at least it's going to be clean and not construction site.
How am I meant to cut my tomatoes?
Understand enough.
Oh my gosh. Well, thank goodness we're living in a building site because there is a knife on hand.
I mean, I suppose I could carve it up with this. Let's see what we can do. The challenges of not having a kitchen are real.
Although I think we did pretty damn well. We cooked a whole Sunday roast, yeah.
Well, things have changed dramatically from last week. We now have a generator which is making life so easy. I'm excited to get it going because I'm freezing. And also we can put some lights on.
Yeah, I can't see anything inside.
Alright, so why that power?
Talking about power, today's video is sponsored by Jackery. This is the Explorer 1000 V2 portable power station, and it definitely comes in handy on our barge. Since having our little baby boy, he's got his very own Jackery. Because, obviously, it has his name on it. It powers all his important little gadgets like the steamer, bottle warmer, and air purifier for when we have the fire on. keeping him cozy and happy. One very spoiled little boy. And, not to mention, it's on totally free power. With an impressive 1,500 watt output, it's 50% more powerful than the previous models. Not only does Jackery give you portable power, but it gives you power with purpose. So join the movement, because with every £100 you spend, they plant a tree, which helps restore coastlines, protect wildlife, and support local communities. Have a look in the description below to find all the details regarding the Jackery 1000 V2. Please, it's not staying.
You said hold the bottom.
I know, for some reason. Just hold it.
Okay. Do you maybe need some food?
No, I have enough food. And?
It's a long way to the back. I've done this trip already like
5 times.
5 or 6 times.
How many are left?
2 more.
Okay.
Getting my sweat on for the morning. It's pretty far. And you have to go up the bank and across the car park. So yeah. I've seen a bit.
Good job. And as if renovating a barge wasn't enough, we decided to take on another DIY project, making a brand new crew member. Let's just say our timeline has very much come to a very close and abrupt ending.
So we're on a deadline for this boat now, and then that deadline is in November.
Yeah. Why?
We're pregnant, baby. We're making babies, baby. We're making babies.
As that project progressed, I got slower, bigger, and a lot more tired. But somehow, we still managed to keep things moving.
Along the way, we discovered something pretty special. This incredible YouTube community. You guys have supported us, cheered us on, and completely spoiled us, along with Jack. We honestly couldn't have done this journey without you guys.
We didn't quite hit the goal of finishing the boat before Jack arrived, but we're still cracking on.
What do you do when you get to your deadline and the work's not done? Close. You're literally a fraction away from it.
It's all about decorating, final touches, and finishing the projects we've started, all while juggling work and learning the ropes of being brand new parents.
The journey is far from over. We've still got plenty to do, new adventures coming up, and exciting projects on the horizon.
Thank you for following our journey so far. Stick around because in the next video we'll be breaking down the real costs of this barge so far.
I would like you to crunch those numbers again.
It's programmed. There's no such thing as
Just crunch them. Just crunch them, please.
crunch.
And honestly, I'm slightly terrified to add the numbers up. I see you. I see you. Oh, golly, golly, golly. Oh, golly, 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 golly. Oh.